One thing that excites me most is how we can apply AI to data engineering principles. Today, we are seeing AI helping us extract meaningful information and insights from unstructured healthcare documents. To me, this is a breakthrough in terms of how we are able to tap into the disparate and siloed and variety of patient data that we have. So it helps build that entire patient profile, so-called.
I do think AI can be transformative. I think it'll lead to better patient outcomes and better business outcomes. And really, I think it's really important for all of us to think about what we're trying to accomplish and then think of AI as a force multiplier to help us get to those goals faster. I think one of the advantages in healthcare is that A, we have a ton of data. B, we've invested a lot in thinking about good data foundations and governance and good processes for checks and balances. And I think in that context, AI applied to accelerate the things that we do day to day can really help us take advantage of that in a safe and responsible way.
AI technology is considered to be very complex, but it doesn't have to be that way. And if you look at different facets of healthcare where you have patients, providers, pharmacies, life sciences, AI has an opportunity to impact every different aspect. We're already starting to see application of AI for patients when it comes to registration, when it comes to scheduling appointments, the patient-provider communication that happens, whether it's discharge summary or whether it's getting authorization letters for insurance companies. We are seeing improvements in clinical trials with application of AI, and I think most of the innovative cases are still ahead of us.
I actually think of the application of AI, particularly in healthcare, across maybe three different sort of strata. The first is just automating business processes, and this is in many ways sort of like obvious, real, almost low-hanging fruit opportunity we've got. The second is sort of decision-making elements of the value chain. So think claims denials, like we talked about, prior authorization, right? How do we actually kind of get to a point where some of those decisions can be automated, but more importantly, be explainable as well? One of the challenges with AI, obviously, is explainability and the importance of that, particularly in healthcare. That's critical. And it's only after that we get to sort of like the sort of magical promise of AI that you see in the movies, which is like, type in your symptoms and you get back you must have this disease. I think it's going to take us a long while to get to that point. Perhaps not as long as long means, and these days long is like a year before our world is changed again, like Keith said yesterday. But massive opportunity ahead of us. But in a lot of ways, it's really going to be driven by kind of how much we commit to it as well, especially as the healthcare community here. That's really what's going to go drive this transformation.